Hi everyone and welcome to our presentation on Microsoft Azure Data Factory. I'm Mihir Sungira and I'm thrilled to be here with my teammates Pratik Patil and Subham Shahmath. They are third year students from the Information Technology branch at Vidyavardhini College of Engineering. Today we'll be sharing our insights on how Azure Data Factory can revolutionize the way you manage and transform the data. We are excited to guide you through this journey and show you how this powerful tool can simplify your data integration process. So let's dive right into it. If you have ever found yourself wrestling with the data scattered across different systems, trying out to figure out how to gather it all in one place, you're not alone. Imagine you are cooking a dish and your ingredients are all over the places. Some in the fridge, some in the pantry, and some on the counter. What you really need is a plan, a recipe that brings everything together. That's what Azure Data Factory does for your data. At its core, Azure Data Factory is a cloud-based tool that helps you move, transform, and integrate data from the various sources, whether it's from the databases, cloud storage, or even SaaS application. It takes the complexity out of the managing data, allowing you to focus on what really matters to you, making sense of your data and driving better business decisions. So let's break down how it works in simple terms. I'll explain you all the jargons here. What does they mean in simple terms? So let's pick the first one, that is pipeline. Think of a pipeline as your recipe. They lay out all the steps needed to take the raw data from its sources, process it, and deliver it where it needs to. Then there comes activities. These are the individual steps in your recipes, like chopping of vegetables or heating the pan. Each activity performs a specific task, such as copying or transforming data. Then there is dataset. Just as you'd label your ingredients, datasets describe the type of data you are working with, its format, structure, and source. This way, you know exactly what you are handling. Then there comes link services. Finally, these are like connectors between your kitchens and stores. Like they link your data factory to all the data sources, whether it's databases, a cloud source services, or even an external API. So, what make Azure Data Factory truly powerful? That its ability to automate all these steps, no manual work. Everything is set up to work in the background, seamlessly, right? And scaling effortlessly, whether you are working with gigabytes or petabytes of data. So by using Azure Data Factory, you're essentially giving yourself a smart assistant in your data kitchen, one that ensures ingredients is perfectly prepped and ready when you needed it. So you can focus on creating something amazing. So in our session today, we'll show you how this tool can simplify your data integration process, making your work more efficient and less stressful. So let's get started and how you can bring order to the chaos of data, one pipeline at a time. So I'll hand over to the Pratik Patil. He will demonstrate you how it works.
Building your first data pipeline, a step-by-step demo. First, create a data factory. Start by creating a data factory resource in Azure. Second, define linked services. Connect your data factory with the source and destination data stores. Third, create datasets. Define the structure and schema of the data you are working with. Fourth, build a pipeline. Orchestrate the data movement and transformation activities using a pipeline. Fifth, trigger and monitor. Trigger the pipeline execution and monitor its progress and status. Data integration capabilities. Connecting to diverse data sources. Databases connected to various database platforms, including SQL Server, Azure, SQL Database, and PostgreSQL. Cloud storage. Integrate with cloud storage services such as Azure, Blob Storage, Azure Data Lake Storage, and Amazon S3. SaaS applications. Connected to SaaS applications like Salesforce, Azure SQL Database, and Google BigQuery. Other data sources. Support for other data sources, including file system, web services, and API.
The advanced features of Microsoft Azure Data Factory are mapping data flows and debugging pipelines. Mapping data flows. Visually design data transformations using drag and drop functionality, simplifying data manipulation. Debugging pipelines. Utilize debugging tools to troubleshoot issues within your data pipelines, ensuring accuracy and error handling. Real-world use cases of Microsoft Azure Data Factory, data warehousing, ETL, and data migration. Data warehousing. Load data from various sources into a central data warehouse for analysis and reporting. ETL. Extract, transform, and load data from source system to a target data store. Data migration. Migrate data between different databases, cloud storage, and other systems. Best practices and next steps. Optimizing performance and scalability. Design for scalability. Ensure your pipeline design can handle increasing data volumes and processing demands. Optimize performance. Fine-tune your data pipelines for optimal performance, minimizing processing time and resource utilization. Leverage monitoring tools. Monitor pipeline performance, identify bottlenecks, and proactively address issues. Explore advanced features. Leverage features like mapping data and flows and debugging tools to enhance efficiency and troubleshooting issues. Thank you.